Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as always we are dealing with the best traders in the world who don't have capital. Yes, I'm talking to you. So there is this pro farm I just get from my friend. He told me there is a broker, I mean not a pro farm, a broker called HEADWAY, which give you $111 to start trading it for, I think, 7 days. After 7 days, the profit you make, it will be migrated to your real account. So I never log into this or sign up to this. Let's sign up together and see if what he's talking is actually true. Yeah, so let's get started. Remember, if something is for free, why not trying it? Just try it. You are not losing anything. So just try it. If you feel like a little bit of worry, then use an email which you really don't care. As you can see here, I have a lot of emails which whenever happens I can just use them, but I'll never use these two types of emails here. So yeah, register with email. I'll just sign up with Google. Let's see if it's actually true. Yes, login with Baratikitange email. Let's see. Okay, actually, successful register or go to dashboard. Let's go to dashboard and see bonus account, verify your account, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of things in here which is happening. Yeah, I think if I say create your real account, I want to see what are the spreads. Losses 0.01, minimum lots, up commission to $1 standard. Let me see. Okay, MT5. Let me see. The highest is 1/2000. This is good. Let's see. That will be my number. Oh, can I change it? Account name. Okay, let me call it Boss Forex. Who knows, this can be my main account if the broker is perfect. So let me see if I try to deposit. What are the criteria? Which, oh, I can use M-Pesa. Then this will be perfect. I can use M-Pesa to deposit. Wow, this is good. Let me deposit something. Let me try to deposit something here. I think, let's see. We are just trying it. Sometimes it's good to test out what. Let's see now. Let me deposit. What's the minimum amount to deposit? 2 shilling, which means equal to this. Also, this is like okay, let me use like how much is that? I want to deposit like $10. If could be possible, or should I click here? Let me put like actually I really don't know. Jesus. So is this how it is? Can I deposit $5? Can I? Let's try out and see what is going to happen. If not, then I remember this wasn't the aim. The aim was to try to see if it's possible. To okay, let me see what okay. Actually, I think I won't deposit. I just want to see the bonus. Here are the bonus. I think we have a bonus here. Let me click it and say get a bonus for your first step in Forex. First, your TradeAway success and without initial deposit. Let's get this. Initial deposit bonus ends in 7 days. Available. Oh wow, so I just get this. Okay, I just get this. Oh no, I think I have to edit the numbers here. So It's like, okay, whenever you trade, the available balance or the profit you make at the 7 week days, the profit will be transferred to your real account. Oh, yeah, sounds fun. So we have a demo, we have a real, and then a real account. So we have like 2 accounts, real account and 1 demo account achieved. Yeah, so trade now. I think, yeah, I just want to see. Okay, I think this, I'll just log them to my computer, to my phone. Hey, so I think this is legit. So go out, find out, look at the description down below. I think I will provide the link where you can log in, and hey, you can use this as your main broker. I think if you can deposit as minimum as 21 T shilling, oh wow, that's the best. Plus you can use M-Pesa for Tanzania and Kenya. I think this is the perfect thing to go for. So try out this short, and you'll tell me what is happening. As you always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.